Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete Jacobra, the bodybuilder, and we're going to the future, or at least back to the future. We're doing some more builds on the DeLorean from Back to the Future, and I'm really enjoying it. I'm only doing 2 parts of this build. Depending on how quick it is, I may do 3 or 4 parts, but we'll see that when we get along on it. So this is 119, as you can see. And what are we doing in 119? Air pipes? You're calling it air pipes? 120, sorry. 119. Reactor vents. Reactor vent pipes. So the first thing we do is we bend those around, because we want to put those on the pipes later on. So we're going to put those together like so, and put 2 AP screws on that. So we're going to line that up with the screw hole that is there, get an IP screw out, and that one's on as well with the 2 IP screws there. So we're going to take this one out, and we're going to put it on like so with that pin into that hole there, and then the screw points are there, and we're putting GP screws from underneath. Then we're going to the next part, and they're not showing on what side the big holes are, but I'm going to say that it's supposed to be on that. Oh, wow, that's a little bit odd. You cannot put it in anywhere the way I just put it. We put a GP screw underneath. I'm taking that one out so it will not fall out. Right there, and we're doing the same thing on the other side. Make sure you don't put that hose under. That one's still not done. And there we go. As you can see, we put those on, and we made those before we did that. So that's 119 done. The smallest ones are the C ones, and then there's a B on this one, and that's a D. There are letters underneath, so have a look at those. Keep in mind that this has to go over, so I'm going to put that to the side. So we're going to start with the C. That's this one. And there we go, that's in. And this is A. Nope. I need this one. Yep. Wow, that took some push and shoving to get it in. Then we're putting this back on. I don't know how this is going to connect, but we will find out. So we're going to put that aside and take 121 out. So we're taking 121 out as well, because we're not doing a lot on this one, and then we've got it done. We've got those 2 parts, and we're going to put them together like so, and it looks neater as they show it than what it is in reality. And I think I've done it the wrong way around, because that's a straight peg and this is an angled peg. Still, that is what we have when we're done with 121. So let's get 122 out as well. Good, that went crazy quick. And we're still on 25 minutes of recording. Okay, so we've on 122. These are the parts that we have. And I can put that magazine away because that was done. That was the heavily, massively quick one. And in 121, 22, I should say, we should have numbers on this. 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to put them. Then we're going to put all MP screws in there to put those flaps in for this thing. Can't call it anything else than flaps for these reactor vents. So this was last one, I don't know. It can bend, but these can't. Okay. So in one of the two, put one of the two of those into the hole right here, and we're going to put the other one on the car somewhere. This side, and it's starting to look like something, and we're going to put some FP screws in there. So this pipe goes into, oh, you can't see that. So that pipe goes into the hole that is left over on this side. That reactor vent is in there. And this is the last stage we do. And one more thing to put together, and that's that little thing to put into the hole that's right underneath it. So what have we done now? And we're still quite quick. 19 and to 119 to 121, and the last thing we do is put that little can you see that little thing into the hole that's right in front of it. We've done quite a lot. Let's zoom this out a bit. We've done quite a lot on this thing, as you can see. It tightens that stuff up. And I only saw that because I saw it from the side. There was quite a big gap there, so that is what we have on the reactor platform at the moment. That little socket will go on, and there's no more to do for this stage, but I do want to thank you for sticking out all the way to the end, and thank you. Join me next time when I do a few more of these parts, and put another vent on this side, and probably some valves there as well. So hoses and valves and stuff like that. So thank you very much for joining me again. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and join me next time on this build or any of my other builds. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye bye.